Hello and good day. This is Crazy Wayne's Batavus M48 engine, 26mm exhaust system modification to increase power band. One thing you want to do with this is the stock air cleaner. You want to put a little computer fan in here, bend the little ears, straighten them when you get it locked into the stock air cleaner, and it should look like that on one side and still have the screen on the other side. And this will increase your airflow, so you should only have to kick up one jet size after the modification. You should do plug chops. Don't burn your motor up. Don't be a Targo. Okay, on the cone here, we want to grind off 1/4 of an inch here to reduce the echo effect coming out. Knock the ears back in the tail cone here. You should be able to get 9/16, 15 millimeters flow there, 6mm T-nut. 1mm pitch and an ender washer to be ground and set into there. Cut 30mm off of the header pipe coming from the engine. And on the stock baffle here, we are going to modify it by adding more holes over here and putting in a 1/2 inch inside diameter, 1 inch long tube here to mount to the plate, and a 7/16 long 5/16 internal diameter on this side, a short one, because you need a short and a long in order to get the power band to stay flat, because you still need the bottom in torque. This modification works quite well. Enjoy the video and bat out.
Modifications for the tail cone would be removing 1/4 of an inch of the echo tube sticking up, so you get a little less bounce back in this chamber. It'll shorten the frequency a little and kick up the RPM ability. And we want to take and put a large punch through and push all that fitting back that was in there that was used for the nut to go in the tailpipe. So now we have a nice clean tailpipe. That'll flow without having some nut sitting in the middle of it. Got a 1¼ inch piece out of the main pipe here off the header, so that you just get your clearance. Take anymore, you'll have issues unless you reroute the plumbing completely by heating it and bending it. You disassemble the rear cone, and then on the stud there, you're going to tap all the way down that long bolt that sticks all the way out, and then you thread it and grind the one end flat with your tap about 1/8 inch from the end, so that you can start your nut real easy with a socket through the tailpipe. And it is a 6mm 1mm pitch tap that will be needed, along with a little nut to chase it. And we cut off 3¼ between 3/8 inch there, and we cut 1 inch and 3/8, or 1¼ inch actually, off of the main header pipe. And then we rework the main header, remove the factory tube, and install a larger 1/2 inch diameter, equal length, and large header holes. We have another one here with about a 304 on that one to give different pulse rates, and a threaded lock nut, or it's not actually a lock nut, but a threaded sleeve, so it won't cut through the threads from vibration. And then on this side, we space the holes equally all the way around on this, so it'll get an equal pressure, and leave that stock, and enlarge this hole after you remove that tube to go with the larger one. And the washer on top is for reinforcement, and we'll get that welded up. Okay, that's all welded up. Ready to go. Now to weld this part on. So we'll have a notch, as you can see right there, which will be where that will. This is still weld there, and on the bottom. So we want the little part on the top. So we're going to put the letters up so we know when we twist this on. That's all. On a threaded sleeve. So we'll go ahead and zap that, and then this will